Hello everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to use an AI eraser to remove objects from photos on your REALME 16 Pro Plus. So first, what you guys want to do is go over into the gallery editor. What are we going to do is we're going to open up the gallery. So here we have the apps once we swipe up. And what we want to do is we want to scroll down until we see photos. Now, as you guys can see, let's go over. Here we have our pictures, and we want to make sure that we open the Photos app and not the Google Photos. Here, let me quickly take this picture right here. Now, what are we going to do is we're simply going to click on the pen icon, go to AI Editor, and click AI Eraser. We're going to click on Agree and Continue. Here, we can do the Smart Lasso, Paint Over, and we can remove people. But I do not have any people in the picture, and even AI does not detect anyone. Here we have a paint over. So for example, we can paint over this part right here. And as you guys can see, now it's removing. Now it's painted over, and you cannot see anything. So the edited picture looks like this, and the normal one looks like this. We also have a Smart Lasso. So we can select everything from here. Now it is recognizing everything and it is removing it. So it looks like this. It has to do some multiple jobs in order for it to work. So if you want to make it completely white, then it takes a couple of tries. As you guys can see, it still detects a lot of stuff here. So it looks like this. You can also have fun and just select it all. Make sure that it all goes completely white. But it's just a couple of tries. It looks like this. So we got rid of the keyboard that was in the picture. We can click done, and of course we can label it, or we don't need to label it at all. We're gonna click done, and here we can click save. We can replace the original or save a copy. I'll save a copy here so that you can see the difference. So this is the picture. Now here we got another one, but we are interested in this pic right here. So there's nothing. It is entirely as a white background. This is how you guys can use the AI eraser to remove any objects from the photos. It just takes a couple of tries for it to actually work. And that's it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.